Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. As always, want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. If you guys do like the content, if you guys do like the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts and updates on all new content posted on the channel. Today, as you can see here, the portfolio ended the day in the red, and by quite a large margin, as you can see up on top, down 2.41%. In real money, down $3,662.63. So one of the bigger one-day pullbacks in the portfolio. And we can see here this started in pre-market trading down $1,600 or so. Fell quite rapidly here in early morning trading. At one point getting down below $4,400 down, $44.1179. Did a rebound a bit here in afternoon trading, but still ending the day in the red, down 2.41%, $3,662.63. If we scroll down the portfolio, you can see here a lot of stocks in the green, a few that were in the red. GE there down 5.16%, and the big driver behind this big pullback in the portfolio is Ford here, my largest holding, down 7.02%. 92 cents per share, now sitting at $12.23. If we take a look at its recent performance here, you can see the stock was doing quite nicely here until this big pullback. And in fact, it is still up over the last 3 months here, up 1.99%. But over the last year here, excluding the last 3 months, it was doing quite well. But you can really see here that big pullback at the end of the graph here, down again 7.02% in 1 day of trading. And a lot of this has to do with some revised earnings over the next year or so, 2018, which is a little bit surprising because going into 2017, over a year ago, I knew that this was going to be a little bit of a difficult year for Ford, 2018, 2019, with 2020 being sort of the turnaround with regards to earnings. So it's a little bit surprising that the stock would fall so drastically on an earnings statement that was really should have been known by most investors, really should have been known by the large investment banks. If an individual investor like myself kind of knew this, I'm not quite sure why the market reacted as it did. Again, down 7.02%. There was a little bit of a silver lining in today's announcement in that Ford will be having a special dividend of 13 cents paid out in the first quarter, which is quite a large special dividend. If we take a look at the dividend payments on the bottom that I've received here, the last one, December 2nd here, you can see its normal dividend is 15 cents per share. And that is equating to dividend yield of about 5% or so. So you can see this dividend yield, especially with the price of the stock pulling back so considerably, it's probably a 5+% dividend, special dividend. So this is one of the better special dividends that you can probably get into over the next few months or so. And I'll put out another video talking about the dates for that, the ex-dividend date, payment date, all of those dates. But a little bit of a silver lining, I suppose. Ford will be having a special dividend, 13 cents per share. I'll do another video about the dates for that. But again, a lot of investors reacted to the news today by selling off. Ford dropped down to $12.23. Luckily, I bought most of my stocks in this area here, sub $12. So I'm still in the green overall on Ford. You can see they're up 9.98%. That's not entirely accurate, but I am in the green by quite a large margin. But it's never good to have a stock drop 7% in 1 day. And there's really a possibility here of maybe doubling down, putting more money into Ford. I may do that, very, very risky. Again, the turnaround estimates for guidance with regards to its profit is probably in around 2020 or so. So definitely a few years out. I think this is a great long-term stock. But again, there have been a few people on the channel wondering why I'm getting into Ford, putting so much into Ford. And I really think it's a good long-term investment. I'm a little bit wary of the FANG stocks, technology stocks. I think a lot of the market is a little bit too expensive right now. The 1 year return for the S&P 500 over 20%. when the average is about 7% or so. That just can't be sustained over the longer term. So I am anticipating a quite large pullback in the market at some point. That's why I'm holding a large proportion of my portfolio in cash. My E-Trade account, I have quite a bit of cash. This account, I have quite a bit of cash as well. I've been using some of that for some swing trading with Portola, but really I'm looking for a pullback, and that's why I'm not getting into a lot of the technology stocks, FANG stocks, Amazon, and those sorts of stocks, Facebook, just because I think there will be a pullback, and I think those stocks will get hit pretty hard. But again, Ford down 7.02%. I was not expecting that. I had figured that the market had already priced in Ford's 2018 and 2019's profit forecast, but obviously I was wrong about that. So again, one of the larger pullbacks in the portfolio. If we go back up top here, down 2.41%. So quite a big pullback today in the market. But I'll do another video talking about the special dividend for Ford. Quite interesting, kind of a silver lining with today's very, very big pullback. So let me know what you guys did today. If you guys are holding Ford like I am, there's been a lot of criticism on the channel about holding such a large proportion of the portfolio in Ford, but I like it longer term. I think it's safe. The special dividend may be an opportunity to jump into a stock when it's down a bit. Again, 7% in one day. I think it probably will rebound a bit tomorrow. I may try to take advantage of that by doing a day or swing trade with Ford. Kind of will hold off with regards to the tax implications because of that, but very cool that it has a special dividend. Not cool that it's down 7%. So I'll do a little bit more reading and do an updated video talking about that. But just wanted to give you guys an update on that today. Again, let me know if you guys are in Ford or are thinking of jumping in Ford with that big pullback with the special dividend coming up, or you guys are going to be kind of staying clear of Ford. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you guys may note that there's a sound in the background, I recently acquired an L3 Plus Antminer. I am now mining strip coins, currently Litecoin. I'll do some videos about that as well if you guys are interested. So I have that up and running now. Have my Redcoin wallet open and running as well. So I'll do some updates on the kind of return I'm getting from the L3 Plus Antminer as well as the Redcoin cryptocurrency that does give a rate of return just by having the wallet open and running. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.